Hi everyone, a very good evening. In my previous class, I started determiners and gave short descriptions of determiners and their types. I am going to give you details of these determiners, but before that, let me revise what a determiner is. A determiner is a word that modifies the noun that follow them. In other words, determiners are used before nouns to show which or how many things noun refer to, or to specific object, person, place or thing. In other words, we can say determiners are the words or phrases that precede a noun or noun phrase and serve to express its reference in contrast or to give more information about noun. That means determiners may also be called as adjectives. Yesterday, during my previous class, I dealt with its types: articles, demonstrative determiners, possessive determiners, distributive determiners, quantifier determiners, number determiners, interrogative determiners, and ordinal determiners. So, according to the modern grammarians, there are 8 types of determiners, but the old grammarian, they divide it, they classify it into 5 or 6 types. But I shall be going in detail of all these 8 types. So first one is articles. A and the, they are called the articles. A and N are the indefinite articles, and the is called definite article as it particularizes or specifies the noun. Next one is demonstrative determiners. Regarding its uses, I have dealt it in the chapter while teaching articles. The second one is demonstrative determiners. A determiner used to demonstrate or identify or point out or specify is called demonstrative determiner. This can be classified into 2 classes. Number one is the near demonstrative determiners, that is these, singular for singular. This, 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 it is used for singular, and these, 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 it is used for plural. So this and these two are the near demonstratives, and the far demonstratives are that for singular and those for plural. Remember here, this and that, these two can be used with both countable as well as uncountable nouns. Its uses I shall be dealing in my next class. Today I am just going in descriptive way of different types of determiners. The third one is possessive determiners. These determiners constitute a subclass of determiners which modify a noun by attributing possession or belongingness to someone or something. The basic pronominal possessive determiners are my, are, your, his, her, its, their, and whose. The next determiner is distributive determiner. Determiner that gives information about the nouns in a clause or a sentence is called distributive determiner. Please try to understand here. That means determiner that gives information about the nouns in a clause or a sentence is called distributive determiner. It refers to a group or every individual in the group. It may refer to the whole group or every individual in the group is referred here. These are normally used with singular nouns. They show how the individuals are looked with a group. That means they show the ways in which the individuals are looked with a group and express how something is distributed, shared, or divided. Some of this type of determiners are each, every, all, both, half, either, and neither. The next determiner is quantifier determiners. The determiners which modify a noun to indicate its quantity is called quantifier determiner. These determiners answer the question how much or how many. The main determiners of this type are some, any, much, many, several, little, a little, the little, all, most, none, few, a few, the few, a lot of, a large amount of, etc. The next determiner is number determiners. Here, number determiners means we are going to discuss about cardinal numbers. Cardinal numbers are those numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, natural numbers we may call them. So these are similar to quantifier determiners, but some of the modern grammarians, they treat them separately. These determiners also appear before a noun. Some of the cardinal numbers are 1, 2, many, several, enough, no, some of, all, etc. The next determiner is interrogative determiner. These determiners formulate direct or indirect question and exclamations like other determiners. The three interrogative determiners are what, which, and whose. How much and how many, these are also included. How much is used for uncountable noun, whereas how many is used for countable nouns. The last one is ordinal determiners. These determiners express the order or sequence of something or somebody in a series. Some common ordinals are first, second, third, like that, then next, last, later, previous, subsequent, etc. These determiners are used to show the positive sense of someone or something in a series. They do not indicate or express quantity like cardinal numbers. Thank you.